to this amazing video of creating a UK TikTok account, a professional UK TikTok account for that matter. I've seen a lot of videos online on how to create a TikTok account, UK TikTok account, and people are buying it and they don't know that they are not really working. Yes, some people have created account and think they have the UK account, but they don't have. They're still Nigerian account, but they don't know. With the method, even the method I'm about to show you now is the same thing, but we are going to be very, very thorough to get it accurate. You understand? Yes, I fell into the trap. Yes, this account you're seeing now. Where is the account? This account you're seeing now. This, I thought it was a UK account. I followed all the steps. I created it as a UK account, but it is not a UK account. You understand? This is my account. Yes, it is not a UK account. It is a Nigerian account. How do I know this? You click on these three dots. You click on settings and privacy. Click on account. Click on account information. You see, they have given us everything. Account region Nigeria. So it's going to be very, very crazy. Yes, but I want to convert it. I'll do another video on how to convert your already Nigerian account to UK account. That's if you have good followers already here, you want to just use it. Like this one I have, I cannot start afresh. I don't invest a lot of time and effort. So instead of me to start afresh, I will convert it, yes, the right way. Yes, so just wait and watch out for my video. I'll be releasing a video on how to convert. Yes, okay. So I would not advise anybody with the account region is Nigeria, okay, and that means it's a Nigerian account. I don't know. So we are falling into this trap a lot. We need to start snapping out of it, because we create a UK account or a UK account. Yes, you need to use VPN. Yes, and operate it for at least 60 days. Let me show you. I'm trying to change this account. Yes, I'm trying to change this account to I'll be doing a video on how to change the already existing Nigerian account. So this is Nigeria. So let me just type United. I want to change the region United Kingdom. United Kingdom is not even here. To change the region, so in the United States you will use. You click on United States. Trying to change your region from Nigeria to United States. Take the city will talk. I will tell you cannot update. So you recently used to update your account. Okay, you need to meet the following requirements. You recently used TikTok in United States for at least 60 days. You wait for the data maintenance to be completed in the region you are currently located or intended to change. That means you need to use VPN for what's it called? 2 months straight. So there's nothing you can do to change this account. So until you use VPN for 2 months before you can change it to United States. So since we are not there, we have to use VPN. That's the only pattern. So I've already explained the video I'm going to do, yes, but I'll still do the videos for those that need it. So this one just how to create a UK TikTok account. So what you do is, if you want it to be UK, fully UK, you have to set up your VPN to work on UK time. Yes. So you go to what is this? My VPN. This is my VPN using. I'm using US now because I'm trying to convert the one I already have. Yes, since there's no US for already created account, but it's UK for newly created account. So the first thing you do is to come here and change your location to UK if you want to use UK only. Yes, because UK is I think UK is better. So where is this location? Click here. Yes, if you don't know this, you can use VPN of your choice, so please don't use my own VPN. But this is Winscribe, by the way, and we are using their 10 gig free. Yes, if you don't know how to sign up for Winscribe, you can let me know. Then I'll create a video on that. That one is a separate distance. If you want to sign up on Winscribe, just let me know. I'll create a separate video for that one. Yes, if you comment on this video and I see that the comments are big enough, I'll create a video on how to register and sign up and get your 10 gig. Every month you'll be getting 10 gig from Winscribe. But I'm looking for United Kingdom. I think I've passed it. This is their news feed. You know the person rest. Yes, United Kingdom. I think they have 2 free places. Oh, they have location instead. London Crumpet and London Custard. So let's say we're using let's hat this one because you need to put it in favorite so it's easy for you to look it. So let's say we're using London Custard. You understand? So our time zone now will change. So we're gonna change our time zone in our phones. Yes, please. Go to settings, look for your time zone. Depending on the phone you're using, my phone I can easily search it out. Yes, time zone. I'll just search time zone, boom. It will appear here, and I will just go through and yes, time zone. So United States, I'll change it to United Kingdom. The country, of course. These are my own needs, so you can be different. Yeah, like some other phones, you just go straight ahead. They see London, the time zone already rank. Now, how do you know that this time zone is correct and it's matching the exact time? You go to UK is 1 hour. You can see it's correct because UK is 1 hour late when compared to Nigeria. See London, see Nigeria. Yes, this Berlin and Nigeria are using the same time zone. So that's why you can just see Berlin here in front of my phone. But if you want to be sure, you come over to this site. The name of the site is hua.net. So those people saying creating UK account without using VPN, I just laugh them, because you go create finish. You don't know, say Nigerian account you don't create. Now when you don't monetize, when you don't use your 10,000 followers, you will not come back to cry, hi die, So refresh this page. You check hua.net. Yes, you check if your disguise is 100%. Look at my disguise is 100%. Then I know that yes, I have the right this thing. I will not check if this thing is green. If it's not 100%, this time zone will not be green. Yes, your your local time zone and your system time zone must match, so to be green. The two times are matching, so it is green. You understand? So then you are now sure. Then you can now go and create your foreign TikTok account. You understand? Yes. So you come and click create. Let me just say add account. So you can see, trying to tell me create with NG blah 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 blah, because this phone don't they do NG matter with them. So it would be say we'll just click on this NG, tell them we are not in NG, we are in UK, United Kingdom. So it will not be telling us NG. So log in with email. No, not email, please. Google is always the best and straightforward. Save you a lot of login processes. So when you click login with email, you come and pick an email. Yes, let me just use this one. So just like that, I've created a TikTok account. Yes, now you can go and work on your date. I just put any date, guy. Just put any date here. I don't want to waste time for the video. So I think that is that for that. Your nickname, Liverex, is good. You can put any nickname. The nickname, yes, like I said, when creating these accounts, make sure that your names are matching. Your names are matching with your email. Your email name will match your what is it? Your email name will match your YouTube name, to match your TikTok name, to match all your names. You understand? Don't create anything. If you're into social media, all your platforms should be matching. Not you're on YouTube, you are called Jack. On TikTok, you are called Emeka. On Facebook, you are called Obi. No, very very wrong. So you can go and check your balance and see that it's giving you the UK account that you asked for, but it might still show Nigeria. Yes, because let us check the account information. It might still show Nigeria. Yes, don't get it twisted. It might say okay. You see, account to join United Kingdom in peace. So this is how to create it. Somebody that's telling you don't use VPN, do it this way, that person is just trying to use shortcuts their life, not your own, because in the end you will suffer it. You will not know that you're using Nigerian account, you will suffer it. So I created my account with this pattern, but without using VPN. And if I come here, I showed you people, if I come here, you see Nigerian accounts. So please, people should be very very careful with this account creation, something, you understand? So that's that for that. The video is long already, so I don't want it to be this long. I didn't want it to be this long. I didn't want it what am I saying, to be this long. So this is a very very well packaged UK account, you understand? Yes, so those other account I will have to convert. I will do a video, yes, a proper video on account conversion. So I hope you understand how to create this. Nobody will tell you this thing. People will be saying, okay, create it without VPN, do this, that's the shortcut. You enter big one chance. So those that already have, you can switch to US accounts, yes. But if you don't have, please, now you want to create a new one, follow this step, get your complete UK TikTok account. Once you get monetized, I think it's 10,000 followers or so, all your videos, you start getting paid for them. How many people 10,000 or so. You start getting, I forgot all those criteria. You can check it up. So that's that for that. Thank you very much guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.